by both helping employees to come forward to blow the whistle on corporate misconduct and by ensuring that our Seventh Amendment right to a jury trial has been preserved. The Supreme Court had a unanimous decision, and the justices reinstated a jury's verdict that had been taken away. The plaintiff, Trevor Murray, had accused UBS of firing him in retaliation for refusing to publish misleading research reports and complaining that he was being pressured. A jury heard his case, and they issued a verdict of $2.6 million against UPS. But the Second Circuit, which is an appellate court over New York, Connecticut, and Vermont, took that jury's verdict away. Now, all employees know if you stand up and complain, an employer can retaliate against you and then try and cover it up. And the jury found that was what had happened here. But when the Second Circuit took away that verdict, it said that the plaintiff had to prove the employer had retaliatory intent. So the Supreme Court came back and they said, no, that's too high. That's going to make something like this just impossible to prove. And the Supreme Court said that whistleblowers are only required to show that they were treated differently than other employees because they had reported illegal conduct. This is an important case because all people who complain about illegal conduct should be protected. Not just those that are complaining about financial misconduct, but also those who complain about discrimination and harassment too. We look forward to seeing the Supreme Court helping more employees as we move forward in the future.